Guys, welcome to another amazing video tutorial on Palito's technology. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can fix a failed extension upload. So, hi, my name is David. I'm a professional AL developer, and in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can easily fix this type of error. I would like to start from the beginning so it doesn't look like I'm fixing something that has already been fixed. All right, so if you're trying to install an extension through extension pack manager, let's see, through extension manager, and the funny thing here is that most likely you have published this type of code. Excuse me. You have either published this code and is working on your sandbox, but when you want to install this extension on your production environment and it started giving you errors. So you see that if I come under this manage, go to installation status, I you'll see I tried uploading this particular package and it gives me a status of failed. So in order for me to know what exactly to do to this particular error, I need to come to the name of the error and click on it. So after clicking on it, you will get a summary of the error. You will see they said extension validation failed. View the error details for more information. So I click on view details. All right, just wait for it. So you would see we have package validation failed due to the following errors. You can see it is pointing me to a particular table that I have written, which is customer extension. So I have error PTE002. Now it's telling me this field name, which is called my name. It said it has an ID of 145, which must be within the range of 50,000 to 999. So this is a coding convention when you are working on table or a table extension. Business Central automatically gives us these IDs from 50,000 to 99,000 to be used. So what am I trying to say? I'm saying when I come back to the coding environment, you can see this is the field it was complaining about earlier. This is 145. Now it's telling me that I can't use 145. I can only use from 50,000, right? So that means I'm going to change this one to let's say 51,000, and I can save this. So let's go back to the error so we can read all the errors. So you see, the next one under this same table is telling us that my other friend, which has this ID, must also be within 50,000 to 99,000. And you can see the other table, which is new customization, is also telling me the same thing. It's telling me now this is a different error. This is a different error because let's go to the code environment. This is the new customization. If you notice, you see this is a new fresh table. This is a fresh table that does not exist in Business Central before. Now Business Central is now telling me that there is a missing permission set. So in order for me to fix any missing permission set, I need to go to my development environment. I need to press Ctrl Shift P, and I need to search for permission. This is it, generate permission set for AL. I need to click it, then enter. So automatically a Visual Studio is going to generate a permission set for me, which looks like this. So you can see assignable true permission. I'm giving just customization the permission to read, insert, modify, and also delete. Then I'm also giving this just customization and the X permission, which is okay. All I need to do now is to save and recompile this particular package. After recompiling, I can now re-upload so that the installation can be successful. So after doing this, I need to come back here to Business Central, go back, go back. Okay, my code has been published. Remember, the environment we are trying to publish into to upload into is the the production environment. So I'm switching back to production environment. All right, so I'm going back to the extension manager management. So I'm going to manage upload extension. Then I want to choose the extension I need to upload. So this is the extension here. You can see error uploading. This is the extension here. Then I can accept privacy policy. Then I can deploy this. This is going to take few minutes, and that is because it has to pass through the normal installation process. So you can see extension installation is in process, is in progress. Please check the extension installation status. Okay, so I can come back to manage and check installation status. So you can see this particular installation is in process, is in progress. So we'll come back when it is done. I mean, by this time we should get a success, right? Except there's an additional error. So let's give it a few more minutes. So this is how you can actually fix this type of error. You don't need to panic too much. You just need to be sure. And there are sometimes that it has to do with the version of AL development you're using. If you are using version 8, probably version 9, which is not compatible at the moment. So you could also try changing the version of AL you're using while developing. So let's check if this is done. Is it? Yeah, you can see right now we have completed, which means that it was successful. So if I should come down, drill down on this, I can see extension error uploading by default was successfully installed. Right, so this is how you can fix this type of error. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and yeah, turn up the notification icon. Okay, thanks for watching.